more awesome landscaping. The Esquire. That's the one that had a little stuff on it. But no, it really is good looking down here. They say this has a total, if I read correctly, 15 miles long.
Are you serious?
He walked the whole thing. Texas Land and Cattle Steakhouse.
Wow.
Oh, this building, though. This is another mammoth building. Yeah, they say it's like 15 miles of. I don't think it's all commercialized, but I could be wrong about that. Let me pause it. Yes. They turned the tree that they cut down into a bench.
Nice.
I see another concrete bench. Well, that's pretty cool, at least.
Yep.
Wow. Ramble dog gangs. Yeah, that dash hound doesn't sound like the friendliest dog in the world, does it? What do you think when we reach the end of the sites?
A lot around.
I don't know. We're going to have to go check this out. See, now you come around this bend here. No, because part of it's in the shape of like a square, and part of it goes off on its own. It really is Mexican Manhattan patio dining. No, I mean it's Alamo that way. Really? Pretty interesting. It's kind of near where we were parked. There's no palm trees. I always love palm trees. A sucker for palm trees.
Yes, you are.
Mainly because we don't have them where we're from, so it's unique. I mean, like if we lived in a place with palm trees, we'd think, oh, no, it's a palm tree. But, you know, being that you don't see them very often. No, they did a very nice job landscaping everything. It has an authentic feel to it.
Yep.
Well, yes. How we survive is our big. Yeah, because I think some of these are hotels nearby here too. With the way some of them talked, you could, you know what I mean? Look at the ducks. The paparazzi! It's a son of them. Oh, it really is. It is peaceful. I mean, you get down here, it's not 10,000 people. This is more peaceful than. Yeah, and as I was just saying, Holiday Inn. As an exit, you walk right under the riverwalk, see? That's pretty cool. Another big tree. You know, I bet if you're not here during winter, and everything's leafed out, it's even better yet, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Oh, look at that blowing over there. That's kind of cool. You see that? Oh, a little thing on top, or called spires or whatever. See a blue and a
Yeah.
goldish like a spires. Oh. Yeah, this is definitely pretty cool. Oh. Pause this. It's definitely pretty cool. Gives you the feel of you're at Universal,
Yeah.
where the boats take you to and from hotels in the park.
Yeah, it really does feel like that. And if you don't want to take a boat, you can just take a nice relaxing walk.
Yeah. But yeah, it gives you that feel. And really, there's all sorts of places where if you want to change size, like what you would do, you just walk up, go around, and I believe, I'm not mistaken, which I could be mistaken because it happens all the time. Ooh, free propane tanks. Not really, I'm joking. That's a guy come empty them all out and blame me for a stupid idea. Just joking. Wow, that's kind of fancy.
Yeah.
San Jose, right?
Yep, San Jose.
Riverwalk that way. See, what's this? Up top. Yep. We're making our cut around, I guess. So go back the other way. Yeah, it's definitely pretty interesting. Well, I promise you to show you how it's done. Now you can walk up over for Riverwalk. At this point, on the other side, hopefully you don't have somebody karate kicking the back of your foot like I do, trying to trip me. Then he can claim to save me. I saved you. Thanks, buddy. Okay, then you come back down here. You're on the other side. That's pretty cool. Yeah, look at the size of these trees, though.
Wow.
Mammoth trees. So this is the, yeah, because you see, it goes on for a long time.
Yep.
You see it. Yeah, we say 15 miles supposedly, but then you add in all the different.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yep.
Yeah, I think like Alamo's here. I think we came down that way. I think we could go the other way too.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, this is definitely pretty cool. Now we're on the other side walking down through.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Thanks for you mean take her first.
I was going to repair the building. Took a little break to help some tourists take some pictures with their family. Always feel bad when one person is out of the family picture, you know what I mean? And, look at this. They're redoing that, getting it all renovated and looking fine again. Danger, do not cross.
And now come on, go back the way we came from. Got on that bridge, then just get on the other side of that little walkway.
Yeah. Or we could just keep walking on this side. I mean, we already did that side, right?
True.
Yeah, this is the dining area out there, very rustic looking. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's in the Mexican patio.
Yep.
Well, yeah, this is definitely Commerce Street, Main Plaza, Market Square. Did we come down that way?
No, we have not done that side.
That's what I'm saying.
No, we have not done that side.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We came down this way and turned, right?
Yes.
So, okay, so well, let's walk down here a short ways, and then we'll cross back over and then go up around that way. No, for some reason, I thought we were gonna, this would take us over to there. You know what I'm saying? But now, so at this point, as you can see, in some parts of the Riverwalk are uncommercialized. So
yeah,
sometimes being commercialized makes it a lot better because this is like walking down just normal street in a normal city.
Yeah.
So this is definitely definitely a less fun part of it. But we will walk up here. Yeah, cause I thought we were gonna walk up and go around, but it was not how it is. That's alright. You walk around that way, or at this point, or you can walk up here and go around that way. So either way, you can go up and around. That's pretty cool. Let's go this way. Multiple options at this point in time, right? I ran free like the first human that walked.
Anawana was my name. Peaceful Waters.
Yeah, I wanted to say pretty quickly that one guy's giving me the crazy look, to be honest. And let's see how you come up out here. Now you want to go this way and back down. What this is? Let's pause. Should have went that way. Would have avoided the homeless people. Shut the camera off. If you're going by most of them, but just shows how. Oh, kidding me. This way. Oh my goodness, we gotta go back over. Alright, so maybe we're gonna go. I guess we go back up where we just came and we'll go back and around. As I say, it just shows, even a thriving environment like this, you got homeless people. Alamo look like you need some serious help. There's no sarcasm, meanness, or viciousness meant in that statement. It's just reality. There's reality. It's pretty around here, well. Let's pause it. Okay, viewers and subscribers, a few that I have. If you are on a river walk, do not go that way. That is, the homeless people are people who really need a lot of help from society, and would not recommend anybody, especially women and children, going there, especially at night. We're in daylight, that was disturbing enough. So, just so you know, we'll pick it up in a few more seconds because we're about to encounter some more fun. So, at this point in time, see our left-hand turn, go back to where we came from. That way? Yep. Or we go exploring more this way, right? What are you gonna do? There, well, I'm just getting out of people's way because it looks like not as commercialized down this way.
So you want to go back to the left hand across the bridge? There's just a small bridge between the two sides.
Yeah, we could do something there. So you back to the left hand side?
Yeah.
Hang on. Give me a time clip.
Okay.
Looks like we are going to the left, back where we came and up and over a bridge. But no, it is definitely a pretty place to walk if you're in the right area. There's people, and people will walk on that side of me and get in the shop. You know what I'm saying? And I know you're paranoid I'm going to fall in and drown because I got the car key, but it doesn't look that deep. Like 10, 12 feet. And I'm almost 6 feet tall, so you do the math. If I jump, I'll be out, right? I think that's fine.
Yeah, so, what is it?
I was joking. I will drown for sure. I'm being sarcastic. But if I jump, I'll be out. There's no way, because when you jump in water, you've got a lot less jump power than.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is definitely. It's definitely pretty. It zoomed out a little bit. That's what's going on. I was wondering. That seems so weird. I know them ducks. I've met them before. Hey, guys. Alright, so that's where we just came from. Over there, in that direction. Big yellow building here. There's a park over that way. That's the area where we encountered a lot of the homeless people. So that, if there's really not much down there, I wouldn't recommend going that way. Myself, reading online, everyone is saying how safe all the areas are down here. I don't know, what's our drugs people around, but a few of them were even giving us the stink eye in broad daylight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, if we're willing to give a pair of full-grown men with stink eye in broad daylight, I don't know what they do to a pair of cute little blondes like that in the middle of the night. So, yeah, you take it for what it's worth. So, anyways, going back this way. And this is in no way meant to be picking on anybody or making any sort of derogatory. You can't go that way either. It's blocked. Go down there. This is not derogatory against people with problems. I'm just saying You should steer clear of problems when you can. Well, in my opinion, you don't go looking for problems that you can avoid them. Yeah, we're going to cross that bridge, I think, up there. So we will not be crossing that bridge. I think it's blocked off, isn't it? Yep. People are walking up there mostly just for a photo shoot, or else they're going to climb over like Batman. Anyways, be right back. Right side of only being a few bridges going up and over, the foot traffic is phenomenal. But that is a little bridge we just went up and over. Can't really film because it's so busy. Now we're on the other side. Oh, there you got it. There's Waxy O'Connor's Irish Pub. Hey, that looks pretty cool. Yep, there's a waterfalls on that side. Here's Rita's. Busy as heck. Guess that sign really works. Yeah, we are walking back up the other side. Oh, see, there's a Mexican guy playing mariachi. There you go. He knows what's going on. That's one thing, you never know what you're going to see. Mariachi band, right? Mariachi? Mariachi. That's good at all. Very good. Got unzoom this now. Okay, zoom out for things that I don't unzoom it. But no, it's not bad. The old city walk. Lots of tourists, all having a good time. Pretty cool, pauses. It's a pretty interesting mix. I mean, we just walked from a Hard Rock Cafe, there's a Ben and Jerry's and a Harley Davidson up there. It's a pretty interesting mixture of modern, commercialized shops and mom and pop shops.
Well, sorry.
I mean, it's kind of a nice mix of them. People who have to have name brand or else they're not going to be happy, have the name brand, and the people who like authenticity have authenticity. You know what I mean? Definitely not bad mix. Not bad at all. I think we're almost to where we came down, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh shit, we were near Rainforest Cafe. Remember that?
So we still got a little bit.
A little bit. Well, this is probably where we're going to leave you. Just remember, subscribe to the channel. Remember, like the video. And just remember, you're epic. We're epic. Let's all be epic together. Peace out.